This weekend, the goal, we want you to lose. We want you to struggle. There's kids from all over the country here, right? We're putting you guys in an environment where you're going to lose. The whole goal is that you're going against guys who are better than you. When stuff sucks or you struggle, embrace it and find a way out, right? That's how we can always battle through not only tough times at the Face-Off X, but life in general, battle through adversity.
Fairfield, Connecticut.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Lansing, Michigan. Springville, Utah. Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Buffalo, New York.
Avon, Connecticut.
Auburn, New Hampshire.
Laguna, California.
This is the thing you should do before every single game to get yourself prepared for that next game. Big reach and a rotation up.
Chicago, Illinois.
South Berkman.
Billerica, Massachusetts.
Dallas, Texas. East Hartford, Connecticut.
Tampa, Florida.
Boulder, Colorado.
Upstate New York.
Hang on.
When we think about clamping and getting better neutral grip, what do we need to do a good job of? You're trying to snap all the way over the ball. So you guys can all grab your stuff. Let's get going.
Suffolk, Virginia.
Barrington, Rhode Island. Raleigh, Massachusetts.
Don't punch your left hand too far. When you punch your left hand too far, you're bringing that head further away from the ball.
Tampa, Florida.
Canton, Massachusetts.
Evergreen, Colorado.
Draper, Utah.
Me and Joe worked on this, right? It's a process. For us, we're still learning just like you guys, so.
How we look? Good? Great.
You're just playing defense. Yeah. If you know you're playing defense, you got to get right now.
That's when you bring it back low and get all your weight onto this and use it to push him off the ball, right?
Think about transferring your weight to your right hand so you can get that top side wall down.
Good. Much better. All right, you stay over the ball, you secure it much more too.
Regardless of how you finish, there's only one guy that's going to leave super pumped up today. That's the one guy who wins, right? Each and every one of you guys need to use whatever failure comes your way today as motivation going forward. So hold that squeeze for a second, right? 50 reps.
Wait for the whistle. Sit.
Oh, nice breath. Oh, nice.
The chrome's nice.
I approve.
Yeah, he likes the chrome.
Biggest thing, TD said it yesterday, your parents sacrifice a lot for you guys. Make sure you thank them, right? It's hard to get all these guys in one place one weekend, right? And your parents made it happen for you guys to get in front of us. And
The experience with all the coaches, they just have so much knowledge and all the different levels. They've played everywhere, so they know everything that's going on.
Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you learn a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the competition like?
Stiff.
Stiff competition? All right.
Coach and staff just appreciates everybody for what they have. They never focus on trying to make you into the next mold of them. They're always trying to make it better, make you a better face-off player in yourself.